So introduce yourself.
Okay. Mm, I like to introduce myself. My name is Sarthak, and my hobbies are playing cricket and and flying kite. And my aim is to be a cricketer. And let's introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Tanishka. I'm 8 years old. I'm studying third standard.
Okay, that's great.
So which standard are you studying?
I am studying in class 4th A.
Wow. Does the student speak English?
No, sometimes they are speaking English with me.
Okay. Do you like to read storybooks?
Yes, I like to read. What is your class teacher name?
My class teacher name is Meenal ma'am.
Oh, that's great.
And so, Tanishka, how are you solving? हाँ ऊपर थोड़ा पहले से करो हाँ लो कसं solve करते all this. कशी ट्रिक
Look, there's a one layer is salt.
Yes. Wow.
Very nice.
Wow. You
Thank
can
you.
do all the
Thank you.
sides. Can you show me?
Yes.
Yes.
It's
Bye bye.
difficult to solve. I can solve only one side.
I will solve all the sides of this.
Okay, Sarthak, you solved.
Yes.
Ka?
Hmm.
Okay, that's great. So I will purchase this one also for you if you solve
Yes.
this. That's
Yes,
great.
purchase it. Oh, so this is my snake Rubik's.
Oh my God, this is a snake.
It's long.
It's so long. आणि हा एक आहे. हा
And
कोणता
this
आहे?
is the cylinder Rubik's.
Cylinder Rubik's.
Cylinder.
हा three
And
आहे.
this is the 3 by
Eight, yeah?
3 Rubik's.
Flag येतो का विचार त्याला मग.
So do you know how to make flag on the 3 by 3 Rubik's?
Yes.
So can you make it? लाकडी कुठे
Green.
तुम्हारा मोबाइल ना.
Look.
Wow, that's nice.
You make the national flag easily.
Thank you.
Wow. So Tanishka.
It's amazing.
Wow, amazing. You said also. त्याचं कुठे बनवलेलं?
Amazing. This is
त्याचं-
amazing.
And this is my triangle Rubik's. Yeah. Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Wow. So, which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Okay. So,
So, what is your favorite color?
my favorite color are pink and blue. Colors are pink and blue.
And what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is a lesson you should hit. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, you will conquer. Never fear. Try again.
Yes. Okay, like.
Wow, that's nice.
Yes.